Ever noticed how some people always seem to get a text or call right when they think about someone? It's not a coincidence, it's something you can control. And the crazy part, you only need 5 minutes to make it happen. By the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly how to trigger an instant message or call from the person on your mind. This isn't just a random trick, it's a method that actually works if you follow it correctly. So stay with me till the end. First, let's get one thing straight. Your thoughts are powerful, more than you probably realize. You've experienced it before. You think of someone and suddenly they text you out of nowhere. That's because your energy sends signals, and when you learn how to control it, you can make it happen on demand. Here's what you're going to do. Step 1. Visualize their presence. Close your eyes and picture them. Not just their face, but their energy, the way they feel when they're around you. Imagine them in the same space as you, as if they just walked into the room. Feel their energy. Think about the way they move, the way they talk, the way their voice sounds when they say your name. Now, take it a step further. Imagine them picking up their phone, scrolling through their messages, and stopping on your name. See their fingers hovering over the screen, feeling an urge to reach out. They don't know why, but they suddenly feel pulled toward you. This isn't about forcing anything. Just let the image settle naturally in your mind, as if it's already happening. Step 2. Tap into the connection now. Focus on the invisible link between you two. It's there, whether you realize it or not. Picture a thread of energy connecting your mind to theirs. This connection is real. You felt it before, like when you suddenly think of someone and minutes later they text you. That's not a coincidence. That's energy at work. As you breathe in, imagine that connection growing stronger. Picture a glowing thread stretching between you and them, pulsing with energy. Every time you exhale, that energy flows toward them, wrapping around their thoughts, gently nudging them in your direction. Now make it even more vivid. Imagine them stopping in the middle of whatever they're doing. Maybe they're at work, maybe they're scrolling on their phone, or maybe they're just sitting in silence. But suddenly they feel a pull, a feeling they can't ignore. They check their phone. They see your name in their contacts. Their fingers twitch. They're thinking about you, and they don't even know why. This works because thoughts are energy, and energy is magnetic. The more focused your energy, the stronger the pull. The more you believe in the connection, the more real it becomes. Right now, you're not just thinking about them, you're drawing them toward you. And here's a little trick to amplify it even more. Whisper their name in your mind. Not out loud, just in your head. Say it with the same tone you'd use if they were right in front of you. Feel the way it sounds. Feel the energy behind it. Now, imagine them hearing it, like a gentle whisper in the back of their mind. It catches their attention. It lingers. And suddenly, they can't stop thinking about you. This is how you plant a thought into their mind. This is how you make them reach for their phone without even realizing why. But you have to let go of doubt. You have to trust the process. The more relaxed you are, the faster it works. And now for the final step. Let it go. Release the thought. Don't overthink it. Just trust that the message is sent. In the next few minutes, you'll be surprised at what happens next. Step 3. Send the message without words. This part is key. Don't beg, don't hope, don't doubt. Just send the feeling. Imagine for a moment that the message has already been sent. Their phone lights up. They see your name. Their fingers hover over the screen, then start typing back. Feel that certainty, not as a wish, not as a possibility, but as something that has already happened. The reason this works is simple. Emotions are energy, and energy travels. If you focus on lack, on wanting, waiting, or wondering, it sends out the wrong signal. But when you shift into knowing, into expecting, your energy pulls them in. It creates a magnetic force, a subconscious nudge that makes them think of you, pick up their phone, and reach out. And here's something most people miss. It's not about forcing them to text you. It's about creating an irresistible pull, a thought in their mind that feels so natural, so urgent, they act on it without even realizing why. So as you send that silent message, do it with absolute confidence. Picture them reading it. Feel the energy of connection. Know it's done. Step 4. Let it go now. This is the tricky part. You have to let it go. Most people mess up here. They visualize, they send the energy, and then they wait. They keep checking their phone. They overthink it. And that desperation, that kills the connection. It's like sending a text and then immediately double texting, triple texting. Energetically, it's the same thing. It pushes them away instead of pulling them in. So here's what you do instead. The moment you've sent the energy, shift your focus. Distract yourself. Do something else. Anything. Watch a movie, go for a walk, listen to music. Because the second you let go, the universe takes over. That's when the real magic happens. Think about it. How many times have you finally stopped thinking about someone, only for them to text you out of nowhere? It's not a coincidence, it's energy in action. So trust the process. Send the message, believe it's done, and then completely move on with your day. The less you wait, the faster they'll feel the pull. And when you get that text or call, come back and let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. One more thing. If you enjoy content like this and want to take your manifesting skills to the next level, consider joining my channel membership. You'll get access to exclusive videos, deeper manifestation techniques, and even personalized Q&A sessions where I help you fine-tune your energy. Just hit the join button below and I'll see you inside. And of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I've got more powerful videos coming your way. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.